Ranch to Fork from Rondelay Ranch is sponsored by Triggs and Cellar 70. Also brought to you by Greeby Chef Center.
Welcome to Ranch to Fork. I'm Chef Joe from the Rondelay Ranch in the heart of the Northwoods. Today we have a great recipe, zucchini corn fritters with a black garlic remoulade. First off, I have some grated zucchini and onion. I lightly salted it and tossed it, and I placed it in a colander to extract all the liquids so it doesn't make your cakes wet and moist. Let's start with the rest of the cake. I have some fresh corn off the cob, some grated mozzarella, freshly grated Parmesan, one fresh cracked egg, a little salt and pepper, and some flour. Now I'm going to slightly stir this so it's incorporated. After that is done, I'm going to add my rested zucchini and onion that's freshly grated. And just mix till it's evenly incorporated. These zucchini corn fritters combine two summer favorites into a delicious appetizer or side. We have our fritter mixture done. Let's move on to the black garlic remoulade. For our black garlic remoulade, we have 3/4 of a cup of mayo, some chopped capers, fresh tarragon, some black umami garlic, a little bit of hot sauce, a little touch of Dijon mustard, and just mix it up, place it in your fridge until you plate your dish. All right, let's cook the zucchini corn fritter. My pan is on a medium heat. I'll lightly dress it, coat it with olive oil. Place little spoonfuls of your fritter mixture and slightly press down and shape it to the desired shape you like. While these are cooking, add just a little touch of cornmeal if you have it. It'll add a nice texture and enhance the corn flavor in the fritter. Cook these fritters for roughly 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once you see a brown crust on the edge of the fritter, that's time to turn it, but don't touch it till it's ready. These zucchini corn fritters are crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. They're flavor-packed little bites. These fritters don't have too many ingredients and are easy to make as well. And just remember, don't be tempted to turn them too soon. Wait until you see a little browning underneath and then flip them more easily. All right, now our cakes, you can lightly see the browning on the sides and the bottom of it. That's time to flip the cake. And look at them, they have a beautiful brown color. Again, crispy on the outside, soft in the middle. Perfect summer dish. Zucchini is in season right now, so I suggest going out and purchasing it. All right, our zucchini corn fritters are finished, perfectly browned. Now we're gonna plate them right on our plate. Put a little dollop of your black garlic remoulade sauce. Garnish with some fresh herbs if you have it. I'm using flat leaf parsley. Remember, you just don't eat with your mouth, you eat with your eyes, so make it look good, taste good, and enjoy.
I think the chef really captured the essence of this zucchini fritter with the simplicity that really make this appetizer extraordinary. I paired a Colombia Torrontés, a native grape of Argentina, a light citrus lemongrass aroma white wine to highlight this dish.
For today's recipes and previous episodes, go to rondelayranch.com.